Made it to Center Hill Dam. It's been a long time coming. I haven't been here since last year on my Duke and never been here on a sport bike. Pretty badass, man. Sunday fun day. Serving it up the two-wheel way.
With this guy?
We were at lunch.
Yeah, he's going 70. The guy in front of him is going 73. I don't know how fast you were going, but the DeKalb County Sheriff's Department's got a 911 call on motorcycles, 100 plus. Another trooper's got one stopped in town. That's why I directed you over here.
Yes, sir. That's no fun. I didn't get caught speeding or anything, so I'm not getting a ticket, but I think he's getting a ticket.
Why are we stopped?
He did the same thing to me.
What?
He did the same thing to me. I don't know why. I didn't. He got him doing 77.
Do what?
He got him doing 77. He's getting a ticket.
I was doing the fucking speed limit.
Yeah.
Is this even legal?
I thought there was another guy up there. I was gonna get a square from him.
Why didn't he stop that light?
I don't know.
I mean, we weren't speeding, honestly.
No, we were doing the speed limit. We were doing under the speed limit. It's
Yeah,
55.
I know, because I suck.
We was doing 50. I was just trying to
I was
teach
watching
you.
your lines. It
Were you?
actually helped. Even though I was way behind you, I was a little
I was
nervous.
just trying to help you. I mean,
I'm not taking a ticket.
I can't.
Neither can I.
I will not. I wasn't doing anything wrong. And unless he can prove that, I'm not going to move out of the spot with the ticket.
Well, it looks like
I got to go home and feed my baby, sir. What's going on?
And I got a wedding to be to.
You're behind him.
I know.
So he came up behind y'all and got him?
No, he came in the road and pointed me over. He got him first. He was way ahead of me.
So you slowed down.
Yeah. Not really sure what's about to happen.
I'm about to leave. I'm about to leave.
You talking to me?
I gotta go home. Yeah.
Yeah, I
have
do
a baby
too.
at home.
I do too.
She's 6 months old waiting on me.
Let me get y'all's driver's license
No,
and
because I was
insurance.
driving within the speed limit.
No, ma'am. Driver's license and insurance.
No, ma'am. What do you mean, no, ma'am?
I need to see your
I need a
driver's
supervisor
license.
then.
I am a supervisor.
Well, I need your supervisor.
Okay, he's not
You
available.
didn't pull me over. I politely came because you waved me down. What are you waving me down for?
I can tell you why.
Yes,
We've
please.
had numerous calls on a group of motorcycles that you were involved in, weaving in and out of
There's
traffic.
There's tons of cars.
Have you
like-
seen a motorcycle come by since you've been sitting here?
Yes, I did. We waved at
That
him.
way. This way, a group of crotch rockets. Driver's
But we're
license,
two people.
insurance.
We weren't in a group.
Driver's license and
I
insurance.
wasn't in that group, sir. I'm not in that group.
Yes,
I
you
can't
were.
even drive that
There's
fast.
a trooper that's
Ask
got
him.
another bike stopped back here.
I can't. No, I was nowhere near them. We passed them. Ask him, please.
Driver's
We passed
license
them.
and
I'm
insurance.
not giving you that because I wasn't
Okay,
with
then you're
them.
going to come with me. I'm going to take you to jail and I'm going to get it.
Oh my God.
We have got a call. That's
Please
why
ask
I've
him.
stopped
I wasn't
you.
even with them. I wasn't even with them. Please ask him.
I don't know
have
that.
a baby. I have to go home right now.
Well, what are you doing out here weaving in that
I
traffic?
wasn't. I swear to
I just
God. I
clocked
was
one.
behind.
He clocked one going 90 something.
I was not going that fast. I can't even ride this road that fast. I'm
Good.
serious.
Good.
I was gonna say we was only running about 55.
We were going the speed limit. I'm serious.
I was trying to teach her
promise
how
you.
to-
I'm a mother
how to
of 3
take
children.
Yeah,
I'm not lying.
Driver's license.
Why though? You didn't.
That's why. That's
We
why.
have multiple calls on y'all running up down the road at
Y'all,
high
I
rates of
can't
speed.
even do what you said. They had to look up there for more later.
Not these bikes.
No.
Not these bikes weaving in out of traffic.
Are we being charged with something?
No.
No?
No.
Pull out my phone.
No, I'm not arguing with you. I was just.
You're the only ones that I've met. There's
Okay.
one that got away, the lead one. The other trooper got one stopped.
Yeah, I seen
Y'all are the
her.
only one. That's why you directed over you.
Dude, I'm not
Because we
arguing
weren't
with you. I'm
them
not fighting
doing
it. I was
anything that we
just
were told
talking.
about.
Just asking. You gotta shoot on or anything.
Hey, I don't know. They could have pulled over and they could still be back there. There's several
Yeah,
roads
I'm
between there. Just within minutes, you saw it. That's why
You got
I
Sterling? You got none? Some nicotine.
Is that what you're saying?
No, it is. It's registered.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's
Your
registered.
tag needs to be facing that way, not bent like that.
Oh. I'm sorry.
And yours needs to be facing out too, man. Yours is angled down. His is correct.
Can I fix mine? I mean,
I have
Yeah.
to say it's totally
Yeah.
visible.
Yeah, this is the correct way at a
mean,
horizontal plane, not at an angle. Yeah, you need to fix
is
your
that
tag,
all right?
man. Yes, that's correct.
I knew I was going to get out. Got the light done. So I had it on the other one, on this one,
Right.
and I went to bend it up like I just did that. It broke, so I just turned it around.
Yeah. Can you flare that out correctly?
I just did.
I just got a ticket.
Yeah, it needs- okay. All right. You guys are free to go. Please be careful. If you weren't speeding, don't. This doesn't apply to you, okay? A group of motorcycles, the sheriff's department got a call. Okay, that's why you were stopped. High rate of speed. One gets by me, I stop him, he's at a high rate of speed. Then y'all come up the hill. You weren't speeding when you come up the hill.
Okay, I was going to
Okay.
say, who's
That's,
cruising?
that's why you was directed over, okay? Hey guys, listen, I'm gonna say we're all here. We get calls like this all the time. People lay their bikes down in these curves all the time. We're gonna write you tickets all the time. We'll tow them all the time. We don't want to see you hurt. That's the reason we're here, okay?
I don't either. I'm a baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
Be safe, dude.
I'll see you. Damn.
Is that your buddies down there?
Yeah, we got screwed.
I got every one of them. Why'd they stop?
I mean, he well, I guess I'm going home alone. I'm taking the fun way, dude. I ain't taking that boring ass way. She jumped on 40 and went right home. Yeah, he didn't write down my tag number. He didn't write down none of that shit. The only thing he did for me was take my ID and my name. I'm gonna say I got incredibly lucky because my buddy didn't put his registration under the seat of the bike or his insurance card. Cops aren't stupid, like as much as you want them to be, they're not. But in my case, they were stupid enough to totally miss ticketing me, which I think is just hilarious. +1 for me, -1 for the state troopers.